Hi there! In this lesson, we'll be looking at ThinkingCap's badging capabilities. Badges are image files containing verifiable data about a user's accomplishments. After watching this video, you will understand the basics of badges in ThinkingCap, learn how to set up and use badge issuers, and how to use the badge library. Let's get going. Log into ThinkingCap with full admin privileges. From the hamburger menu in the top left, expand certification. Click on Badge Issuers. On this page, you will see a list of all the badge issuers for this branch. Badge issuers are organizations or websites that award badges to learners in ThinkingCap. The table displays each issuer's name, URL, and whether it can be used by the child branches. Each issuer has a change and delete button. Click the Add button at the top. This modal is where you enter the issuer's name and their URL. You can also choose whether to deny branch inheritance. Click the Add button at the bottom to create the issuer. To modify the name, URL, and inheritance permission, click on the Change button. Delete removes the issuer from the branch and any child branches if it is inherited. Next, let's look at the badge library. Navigate back to the main admin page. From the hamburger menu in the top left, expand certification. Click on Badges Library. You will see a library of created badges ready for use. Each badge has an image, description, issuer, and the criteria required to earn it. There are buttons to change or delete each badge. Click New Badge at the top. In this modal, you can fill in the badge's name, its description, and the criteria necessary to earn it. Then you will choose the badge issuer, its expiration date, if applicable, and if it's usable by child branches. Next, choose your badge image. On the Upload tab, you can upload your own badge image. Here you can see the specifications for any uploaded image. If you are using an uploaded image, there is also an option to use a transparent background. The Library tab allows you to choose from a provided collection of images. The last section on this page is Acceptable Usage. This is where the use of the badge is selected. The badge can be set to be awarded for completion of any activity type. A badge can be awarded when a learner reaches a certain number of credits, also known as credit threshold. It can also be awarded on the learner's first time logging in or on the completion of their first activity. Click the Add button to finish the process. And that covers setting up badge issuers and creating badges in ThinkingCap. Thanks for watching.